Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my Factory Connection clothing haul. So I have my clothing haul for the end of August. Can you guys believe we are near the end of August? It has been insane. It's just been insane. Everything that has been going on in my personal life, around the world, it's been insane. So I try to keep moments of sanity. And guys, it's been really hard the last couple weeks because there's just been a ton of stuff going on. Yeah, let's get into the clothes because you guys know I really like clothes. So let's just pull the first thing out. Tie-dye is really big this year, or it has been this summer, and it looks like it's going to be the same way going into fall. Tie-dye, we're getting tons of it. So this is a 3/4 sleeve. I think it's a cold shoulder. It retails for $17.99. Yeah, cold shoulder. It's tie-dye. It's just a cute tie-dye cold shoulder top. So, you know, I'll wear that to work. So that's super cute. This shirt is it's a baby doll shirt. It retails for $15.99. And this was just, I just love the colors. You guys know I love teal. Tuck you down because you're distracting. And it's got the cute little ruffles kind of under the bust area. It's probably going to make me look pregnant, but I don't care. So that was super cute. This I loved, and I have another one that's a different color. I'll get it on my next clothing allowance. I was torn as which colors to get, and I actually got this in an extra large. It is a sweater, like duster. And guys, it's got the original retail tags on it for $49. We got it for $15.99. So it's a really cute, long, and I'll try that on for you. It's a long, like, sweater duster. Stay bag. It's long, children. It is like long. So I just thought that was really cute. I'll wear that to work. And the other one is blue. It's like blue and ivory and like a rust. It's real cute. Kind of the colors that's in this next piece. Which this is actually 2 pieces. And I got this in a 2X because I thought a 1X might be a little bit too snug. And it's $21.99, but you get 2 things. You get the cute little tank A-line jersey dress, which I love wearing these with leggings underneath and like the little jacket over the top, because you do get, they're together. And I'm going to go ahead and cut those apart so I can show you better. So you get the little dress. It's just a little A-line jersey dress. But then you get a kimono. We can try that on too. You get my little stool out of the way. And I can wear this just like this with a shirt and jeans. And then wear a different little jacket over that dress. But yeah, I usually wear little cotton leggings underneath. So if I have to get down on the floor, if I'm bending over at work, my honey's not shining. Nobody can see, you know. Nobody can see anything. So I wear little leggings under that. Then the last thing in the bag is a pair of jeans. And these are the royalty for me. Didn't I have a pair that was royalty for me last time? I did get a size 14 in these, but it's a 14 Missy. So I'm hoping they fit. They do have a lot of stretch. A lot of stretch. So they're just a plain jean, because that's what we can wear at work, is a plain jean. But once you get down to the leg, they have a little bit of distressing. So I think I'll be okay with these at work. There's not holes like all up and down the legs. I can still wear these to work. But that is my clothing allowance. Oh, and did I tell you what these retail for? I think I did. $19.99. The royalty for me, high-rise ankle, size 14. No jewelry this time. I have a ton of jewelry, but I have some really cute jewelry that we got put up to get. But yeah, that's my clothing allowance from Factory Connection this month. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.